Today, I'm going to show you how you can make $100 per day with high-ticket affiliate marketing. Hey guys, my name is Damien Black. Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make $100 every single day with high-ticket affiliate marketing, even as a complete beginner. Before I get started, make sure to hit the like button below, subscribe if you're new. This channel is all about affiliate marketing and how you can start an online business from the comfort of your home. So guys, on screen right here, you can see that I have received the payment from Legendary Marketer yesterday, $41. I'm getting a bunch of commissions, and I'm going to show you exactly what you need to do to make about $100 per day. So for example, on the 25th of March, I made a couple of sales from Legendary Marketer. So let's see guys, 2.8 plus 680 plus $18 plus 3880 plus 1880 plus 680 plus 280 plus 280, right? This is all in one day. So I made about $100, right? Promoting Legendary Marketer with free traffic. So in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how I did it. Alright guys, so what you need is a funnel. You need a high converting funnel. Now this is the funnel that I use, that other affiliates use, and this is very, very simple. So here are your traffic sources, and this is your funnel. Alright guys, so let me show you guys what the funnel looks like. So this is the funnel, this is my funnel, and this is the first step of the funnel, right? So this is the first step. So this is the opt-in page, right? This is the page for collecting emails. So every time I send traffic from my social media accounts, from my YouTube channel, from TikTok, I send them to my opt-in page where I collect their email address. So they go to this page, they give me their email, they give me their name, and they get saved to my autoresponder. I'm going to be talking about that in a couple of minutes. Now, once they enter their email, they get sent to the bridge page. This is the bridge page. Now this page is the pre-sales page. This is to tell them a little bit more about the opportunity, not too much, just a little bit more how it changed my life and so on. And yeah, from this page, this is the bridge page, they get sent to the sales page, right? So I promote the Legendary Marketer affiliate program. It's an amazing affiliate program. It's an amazing educational platform. So if you want to learn affiliate marketing for just $7, make sure to click the link below this video. And if you also want to promote Legendary Marketer just like me, then you have to sign up to the 15-day Business Builder Challenge. Go through each day, all right? And once you finish the challenge, sign up to become an affiliate, and that will give you a much higher chance of getting accepted. So from the bridge page, I send them, from this page, I send them to my affiliate link, right? I go to Business Challenge, affiliate links, I scroll down, and this is the sales page. I send them to this page, okay? Now, and from the sales page, obviously, I make commissions from people who purchase. So guys, remember at the beginning of the funnel, we collected emails. Now these emails were collected because not everybody is going to purchase on the first time they see the offer, right? So these are the emails that are going to be sending out to each of the leads. And I personally have 12 email follow-ups, right? So 12 emails get sent out to each of my lead that enter their email on the opt-in page, right? And at the end of the day, each of the emails are promoting the same thing, and that is, again, Legendary Marketer. So they get sent to the sales page, they get sent to the sales page. And that's going to give me a much higher chance of selling on the back end. Okay, so now you might be wondering how I drive traffic to the opt-in page, and that's very simple. I use my YouTube channel and I use my TikTok account. So on TikTok, I create about 4 to 6 videos every single day, and I do get lots of views on my videos. So example, 1,000, 3,000 here, 20,000 views. So TikTok is a very, very good platform. Even if you're brand new, it's very, very easy to grow. Then I use my YouTube channel, the video you're watching from right now. And again, guys, if you want to start an online business and don't know where to start, then make sure to hit the first link below this video. Go through Legendary Marketer, go through the 15-day Business Builder Challenge. It's just $7. And guys, also, if you want to copy my exact funnel, my scripts and my email sequence, then make sure to hit the second link below this video and you'll be redirected to this page. Click on this little video and follow the on-screen instructions. Thank you guys so much for watching. This is how I run my entire business online. It's working great for me. I'm getting a bunch of commissions, payouts every single day. So thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to leave a like and comment what you think below.